possibility of participation in the Karunamai book fair, the main book fair of Kolkata. We are all set to participate in the Newtown book fair. Already 20 of us are participating there. And taking this further, we are now looking at the new, Kolkata book fair, which is from 31st of January to 13th Feb. And as Satadal Lahiri feels that it is a mega event with a lot of politicians involved, a lot of footfalls, a lot of clamor for getting the right stalls. So if we go as independent authors, we may not get the right spot. I would request everybody to please keep your videos on so that we can all see each other. So we can participate there as under a banner of a publisher called Clever Fox Publishing. And Clever Fox is a good level publisher, but not so great like Oxford, because if we go with somebody like Oxford, we will get some lost corner in their stall and we won't get highlighted. Now Clever Fox will have maximum, I think, 40 entries. So I told them to reserve 20 entries for me until tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning, I am going to tell them that, okay, this many people are interested. And that's why I have shared a Google form link on our groups, wherever we all are together. So whoever is interested, please fill up the Google form link today itself. And thereafter, according to the entries, I will be reconfirming to them for the spaces. Now, what is happening in this Newtown book fair? The 20 of us, we came together, we did all the hard work, we did the banner, we did the promo reels. Now there are at least 10 people who are willing to join. Now you tell me, if people are coming in the last minute when all the banners are done, the video promos are gone, and everything has been already planned out, then if somebody is taken in today, they will feel left out in so many ways. Poster pe mera naam kyun nahi hai? वीडियो रील पे मेरा प्रेजेंस क्यों नहीं है, कैटलॉग में मेरा नाम क्यों नहीं है, आई एम इक्वली एंटाइटल्ड. So how do we answer those kind of things if people are joining late? So action takers, please take action tonight, fill up the link. And also, if some people have not joined today's meeting, share this information with them that tonight they have to, I'm not asking you to put in a deposit today. You can just fill in your intent that yes, you are willing. Then the publisher will directly send you the link. And I have nothing to do in between that. So they will send you the link directly for payment and you pay. Right? If anybody has, if anybody has any questions, please. Yeah, Sucheta.
Yeah, Vikram, I was not aware. I was busy with all those webinars, so I am not aware what is this Karunamai book fair. Is it different than whatever?
Karunamai book fair is the book fair of Kolkata. Okay, like there is Mumbai and Navi Mumbai, like that there is Kolkata and Newtown. So
okay.
Newtown has got all the MNCs and the yuppies, for which the government thought, okay, let us put one more book fair over there, because the Newtown people are not very much into the mainland of Kolkata. They feel suffocated because they are living in heaven. Okay. So there is a separate book fair organized for them over there. But as it happens, it is a precursor, because all the publishers who are going to be in the main book fair are also going to be there in the Newtown book fair.
Okay.
So that is why we deliberately made our presence in that Newtown book fair additionally, so that we get noticed by several publishers as authors.
Okay.
All right. Because it will be a smaller platform where Satadal has got so many links and contacts. So he will be interacting one-to-one with the publisher, bringing them to our stall, showing them that who these 20 people are. That's why all that banner and everything. No, publisher will never do all this for you. The banner, catalog, publisher will never do for you. Okay, so he's making all that banner, catalog, flyers. These are all his, IITN brainchild, how to bring about yourself in the market.
Customer.
Yeah. So apna kya hai? The target of independent authors right now, as we are at the stage as we are, the sales is not that important, but the recognition as an author is more important. So we are trying to establish a name, a presence amongst various publishers, let them see us, let them know us. And this precursor was a very good attempt by Satadal. We had a lot of debate over it, whether we should or we should not. But then eventually we decided that we should. And now let me tell you, after the 20 of us have agreed, many are willing to join now. But how to accommodate them? We have already got the banners. We have already got the promo out in the market. 2,300 people have already viewed your video, on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's going on adding, it's rolling,
Wow, 2,300 is a word. Okay, wow.
Yeah.
And within 3 days, Vikram.
Yeah. And the channel is not yet monetized, but people are running their ads on my channel. Of course, YouTube is making money, but at least people are finding our video worth. So 20 authors are making a big noise, all these Siddharth Rajshekhar, this lady, kya naam hai uska, Sehgal, Geetika Sehgal, and Rohini Mundra, they are all putting their ads on our video. They are finding it worth. So already we are making a noise as 20 authors. Imagine when we go with the Clever Fox banner, and there among those 40 authors, among the banner of Clever Fox, if we are available, nothing like it. So this is, one thing, every book fair, wherever we get any link from through anybody, we should try to jump in. 2,000-3,000 rupees is not a big deal, but this opportunity is going to be a very big deal.
Yes.
Right.
So
yes, because see, abhi kya recognition banana hai humko. I mean,
very important. Yes.
People should know you that you are an author.
And
if you can hear us clearly and understand us clearly, please type in the chat box LC, that is Lagnajita Chatterjee. जब तक आप टाइप करेंगे तब तक मीटिंग खत्म हो जाएगी. Lagnajita ji, you had some questions. Please ask.
ठीक है, टाइप कर देते हैं लग्नाजीता चटर्जी in short.
Could you not hear me?
Yeah.
LC.
Thank you, Dinesh ji. You are telling great effort, my dear Satadal ji. Your selfless dedication is worth appreciation. Yeah,
it's
indeed.
really true.
Big hand for Satadal.
Big hand for Satadal.
Yeah. Gratitude, Satadal, for putting in so much of effort.
And I am ably assisted by my Kolkata team, Spandan Ganguly, Niloy Kundu, Rupa Pandit. And
Thanks to you all, even Vikram ji.
Thanks to
you all.
Devi Prasad Rakshit ji, they are all my Kolkata teammates.
I have shared the Google form link here in the chat box once again, just in case if you need it from here and you could not find it anywhere in our groups. So it is here, and please share it amongst the authors who are anyway willing but somehow could not attend this meeting today. Please share it with them, and so that they can be benefited as well. But please fill in by tonight so that I can actually book the exact number of spaces with the publisher. Right?
Vikram, one more doubt, Vikram.
Yeah.
That Calcutta Book Fair is going to be at the same time?
No, it is 31st January to 13th February.
So if our books are not sold, can we transfer that book to that next fair if we are
Certainly,
ready to bear the cost of transportation?
certainly. That will be done.
Madam, let me clarify a bit. The books that will be on the stall,
Yeah.
like in Newtown is starting on the 7th. The books that will be on the stall, that is only for people to feel them, see them, smell them, read them, flip a few pages, and buy it from, the catalog, where you have your QR code, which will direct you to the Amazon page.
Yes.
Yeah, this book we'll try to, that we have got in the stall, we'll try to preserve. If somebody pressurizes us that nahi, humko yahi book kharidna hai jo haath mein pakde, that is different. Or some VIP comes, we gift them, that is different. And if there is a shortfall, we'll ask for more books from you, but we'll try our best to transfer this stock to the Kolkata Book Fair stock.
Yeah.
I would
Sukamal.
suggest, I have a suggestion for the authors to sign their book, autograph also the books, so that, the value is increased. Whenever someone is buying or someone is getting gift, he will feel obliged. I'll appreciate. I think that would be better.
Satajal, I have already, this form I have submitted. The third point, I have said that I have committed that I'll do the mandatory things, what already I have done.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
that is
right.
okay.
That's
That
right.
is
That's
okay.
well taken. Yeah.
You have said that you are participating, that is enough. And everybody is requested to fill up the form tonight only, and as fast as possible. Let us catch hold of the publisher.
Done, IITN.
I've filled the form.
Great.
Great, great.
I mean,